Okay, today is September 14th. Your learning target is you can write a summary. We're going to do the SEL question. We're going to the Sora app. We're going to do a quizzes, and we're going to do the wagon train, listening to it, and the summary. Your success criteria is you can identify parts of the story and you can recognize point of view. So let's go ahead and go to the question of the day. Okay, I am going to go to the Google Classroom. I'm going to click on classwork. I'm going to scroll down to where it says resources. Click on the 6th grade level 2 Padlet. You're going to click on the Padlet to open it. And the question of the day is, what is your dream car? Remember, if you want to answer, there is a pink circle right here so that you can put your response. Please remember to put your name and answer the question. If you'd like to put an image, that is perfectly fine. Let's go on to our next activity. We are going to be reading right now 5 to 6 minutes in the Sora app. So you're going to click on the Eisenhower Library and you're going to launch Sora. And you're going to continue reading your books that you checked out, book or books. So remember to get to your book, you're going to click on the shelf so you can open your book. So I did tell you I would start book talks today, so let me get the book that I am going to be talking about. Okay, this book is called Fever. It's by Laurie Halsey Anderson, and Fever 1793. So it is available in the Sora app. You can listen to it or you can actually read it. So this is a book, it was a pandemic in 1793, and instead of corona, this one was called yellow fever. So the main character, her family owned a coffee shop. They had to close the coffee shop down. And it was kind of like in this time, there's lots of connections because everything was shut down. Everybody was really scared. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know really how to cure it. So I recommend that you read Fever 1793 by Laurie Halsey Anderson if you want to have something that's kind of like what we're dealing with in this time. Okay, so I'm going to give you about 5 or 6 minutes to read your book in the Sora app, and then we're going to continue. Okay, so today I'm going to start grading the next group of classwork. So there are some people that have not turned in virtual room, point of view, bell ringers, or ELAR point of view worksheet. So I'm going to check those today and I'm going to start entering them. What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to open up our digital notebook. So click on your digital notebook. And we're going to be using slides 19 and slides 20. So the other thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Mentor Text Wagon Train at Dusk. So right here is the link for me to go to the wagon train. Okay, on digital notebook, I'm going to use slides 19 and slides 20. So we have been practicing doing summarizing. So we're trying to figure out who's the main character, what did they want, what was the problem, how did they solve the problem, and what was the resolution to the story. So we're going to organize our information so that on slide 20 we can write a summary. Okay, the story that we're going to use is called Wagon Train. So I have to sign in to Savas, okay, and I'm going to listen or read the mentor text, Wagon Train. So it's going to take a minute to load. So here is the text. I can listen to the story or I can read the story, okay? So you're going to use the information from this story to put into your graphic organizer, and then you're going to write a summary about it. If you need any help, please come to tutoring. So in the stream, I'm going to move this to the top so it'll be easy for you to see. Tutoring is today at 2 o'clock, a las dos tutoría. If you need help, please click on this link so that you can come to tutoring. If you're missing any assignments, I'll be making calls again so that hopefully you can get those missing assignments in. All right, thank you. Bye.